What's up, guys? It's been a minute since I've done a video like this, but I want to make a Jasmy update because what just happened is very, very important. If you hold any Jasmy, if you're thinking about buying Jasmy, or if you've been thinking about selling Jasmy, because I know a lot of you are frustrated right now, make sure you drop a like on this video. Let's get this to 300 likes. I'm about to share some very, very important information with you that everyone needs to see. Right? Everyone. I mean, even people that aren't involved in Jasmy, they need to understand this because this will tell you if you should buy or if you should sell. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Of course, this is all just my own opinion, but I've been studying the charts for years. I've been studying RSI, stochastic, Fibonacci, resistance support for years, and I want to bring all this information to you on this channel. We first called Jasmy at 0.005, bought more at 0.006, bought more at 0.007, and it ran all the way up to 4.4. I did sell at 3.9 for a little bit of profit, and I moved that into another crypto. That was one of my biggest moves so far. I've also called AOs at 13 cents. It ran over $1. We ended up selling at 82 cents. We obviously got back in. I've been calling a lot of different stocks in crypto, but today's video is all about Jasmy. And I'm going to get straight to the point, guys. We held this support. Very, very big deal, okay? We are also creating higher lows. If you could see the chart behind me. We have a wick down here. We have a wick down here. We have a wick right here. We're holding this support so far. This support actually goes back all the way to August 5th of 2024. So literally 2 months, right? 2 months we've created this support. This is a very good sign. I don't know if you can see it on my chart, but this is a daily time frame, and we've wicked down to this line 3 times, okay? Then we had a big green candle, which means it wants to hold so far, okay? What you got to be watching for is I would really love to get above the 21 EMA. That will give me more confidence that the uptrend is starting. Today we have another daily candle close, I think at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So we got some time, right? If we can close green, and if we could close even higher, this is a really good sign that the bottom could be in for Jasmy. Now, of course, I've been making videos, and you guys understand, if we fall through, if we close below this trend line, then I do expect us to move much lower. So this is the most important thing that everyone needs to understand. Another thing you need to understand, which is super important, is the stochastic. And right now, the stochastic is curling. It's low, and the blue is over the red line. Now, I'm going to get into the stochastic and the RSI in a second. But first, I want to be 100% real with you guys. I want to show you my wins and my losses from September 4th to October 4th. We had some massive runners up over 30%. You can see on the screen right here. Another thing to note, I'm about to share this information with you. Understand, when I buy, I'm thinking weeks to months out. I am not buying based on me thinking the stock or crypto will move up the same day. Now, I alerted the group 31 buy alerts. We are green in 20 of them, and we are red in 11 of them. So we're winning at the end of the day. You can add it all up. You would be up if you took all of these buy trades that I sent out to the Patreon. Now, even though we're red on a couple of them, I still feel very good about the red ones over the next month to 2 months. So again, when I buy, I'm looking at weekly timeframes. I'm looking at daily timeframes. I'm doing all the homework for you guys. So if you want to get in, you can join the Patreon down below as low as $10 a month. Dogecoin up 10%, Bitcoin up 18%, AOs from when I said to buy at 37 cents, up 30%, Ethereum up 1%, let's go Ethereum, FET up over 33%, we said to buy at 84 cents and at 109, again, this is just the last 30 days, Tesla we're up over 9%, buy at 230, SoFi up 20%, Matic, I mean, you get the picture, right? AMD up 23%. I'm going to skip forward to the losses because that's important. ICP down 3%, Quant down 6%. Tesla again at 226, we're up, obviously. XRP, buy at 58 cents. We're down 7% on that because the stupid news that just came out the other day. You can see we have some more buys here up 5. Now here are the killers right now. CRV down 15%, XCN down 15%, Link, Chainlink down 11%, CELH, which I nibbled at, down 6%. I still think this will be a great runner over the next couple weeks. We got SUI up 2%. SoFi Hood is going to be great. Mara down like 1%, shop up 3%, FTM up 5%. So guys, you get the picture. We're going to call out a bunch of winners. I've been doing this for 2 years now, live with the Patreon, but I've been studying this for years. I've been involved in crypto since 2018. So I just wanted to keep it 100% real with you, tell you my wins and my losses from the last 30 days. It's going to get good though over the next 30 days. If you want to follow along, join the Discord. The links are down below. If you want to get call outs on this, by the way, I post charts on it. So I give you actual details of why I'm saying now is a buy. I'm teaching about the stochastic and the RSI as well. Now the stochastic and the RSI on the daily time frame, and I'm also going to talk about the 4 hour in a second, is actually really good. Stochastic is low, RSI is low. We know that with crypto, especially like Jasmy, this RSI can run all the way up to 90. And right now it's like under 50. So we're just figuring out what it wants to do. This is a positive sign though, guys, that we had a massive green candle off the support. Huge deal. Make sure you drop a like if you got any value so far. Now the 4 hour is looking also good. So the 4 hour was actually creating some positive divergence down in this area. If you pull up a chart on TradingView, you go to Jasmy, pull up a 4 hour time frame, and you'll see that we are creating higher lows on the RSI, okay, but lower lows on the asset. When a stock or crypto is creating lower lows, which means it's actually in a downtrend, it's moving lower, but the RSI is creating higher lows, which means it's moving up, that's positive divergence. That's a bullish signal, okay? So it's really cool that we had positive divergence forming, plus we held the support for Jasmy. Now, we need to hold it. Again, if we close, daily candle closes below this, that's going to be concerning. So if you're on the sidelines right now, you could still wait. You could rush in if you want to, but my opinion is you could still wait and wait a couple more days. See really where we close. And honestly, guys, today's Saturday. Tomorrow, the weekly candle will close, so that will even tell us more of what's about to come for the next 4 weeks for Jasmy, right? A lot of us, we just want to buy on the dip, but when you start to learn this, you sleep better at night, right? You're actually buying close to the floor, and I'm updating you guys on this every single day, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you join the team down below if you want to be a part of this. Invest in yourself. You're going to make a ton of money over the next 6 to 12 months because I'm going to make a ton of money over the next 6 to 12 months. And guys, once you understand Fibonacci, you could do this with any stocks or crypto. We've been playing different stocks for years now. We've been calling out plenty of cryptos. But with Jasmy, it looks great. Let's get into the tokenomics. Now remember guys, every time we go under $1 billion market cap, I say this is a huge discount. So Jasmy, if you're thinking long term and you're not worried about whatever happens over the next couple of days or weeks, this market cap with the total and max and circulating supply, amazing. Under $1 billion, I have always stated, and I will stick with my saying of what I tell you guys, is I think 10 billion can definitely happen for Jasmy. I know a lot of people predict $1, $2 this cycle. I think minimum 10 billion, which would equal about a 20-cent Jasmy coin. Have a great weekend.